Hey everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to run and stop a workflow in Engini. First, to run your workflow, save the workflow you've built. Without pressing the Save button, you may lose all applied changes made to the workflow. Click on the test tubes icon at the top bar. You can choose to run the workflow manually or automatically using a previous run input. For scheduled or instant workflows, both options are available. For automatic workflows, only the automatic option is available. Click on the Test button to start. Upon a successful run, a message will be displayed. To stop a workflow, you have two options. First option, when running the workflow, a spinner appears on the screen. You can click on Stop to stop the workflow. Another option is from the workflow run history. Navigate to the history of your workflow runs. Identify the current run. If the status is running, means that your workflow is currently running. Click the stop icon next to the running status. That's it for today's guide on running and stopping workflows in Engini. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.